What you think, B? Yo, what it do? YouTube. Hey, look, this video, I'm not showing my face at all. I don't want to be in the camera just cause I worked earlier today. Kind of like looking a little busty, you feel me? Kind of looking a little rusty, crusty, yeah. But I did fix the baby. Baby named Sophia. Go ahead, say that first. Her car is programmed. This car is programmed to be at 215 Fahrenheit. That's normal operating temperature. I have a 180 thermostat, so she gonna eat more coolant to stay cold because it's trying to be under 215. And it's gonna be under 215 just because of the fact that I have a 180 thermostat. And with this baby named Brandy. I don't know how many times I said it, but baby name is Brandy. Torque wrench been delayed twice. It's supposed to come in May 2nd or 3rd now. And I also got a new fan for her that's up in the room. I'm not gonna show y'all that. I'll show you the video of me installing that because I didn't show a video of me burping Sophia, which was, I could have showed you like all the smoke that came out, which is really crazy. But yeah, there was just a lot of smoke and stuff like that. Remember the accident? Oh my God, don't look. It's all good though, but hey, look. She clean. You know, I had to clean the rim. She still got to go to a car wash, so there's still going to be a car wash video. Appreciate all the new people tuning in. Appreciate all the followers, up to 92 now. Trying to get to 100, maybe 120. But we are going to keep going because we're going to just keep going up. Ain't no reason for it. So, hey, look, appreciate you for tuning in. Yay!